So this is meeting 3, talking dialogue 3, and today we are going to meet our friend and talk to our friend when we are walking on the street or somehow. Okay, we have 2 person, Khana and Jose. Khana and Jose. Okay, Khana. Jose, to چند سالی؟ Actually, it could be to چند سالیه. To چند سالیه. Jose, to چند سالیه. It is like, Jose, how old are you? Jose, to چند سالیه. Jose, how old are you? Jose, 21. Let two, and you. Let two. Okay, I think like, I think actually like I gave this example before, but I have just realized in here, let two and you, but let would mean but. I think strange. Anyway, because like in the previous video I said as je آمده me let two I said let two can be used for this, but this is let two more than this is let two, not a le. But I think we generally say le, actually let two, but let two. Le, it can be used. Let's just think like this now. Le is also, so what we saw, le. Okay, I'm not sure about le, but I am sure about le and u means and. Okay, just le and u you can use for and. Jose 21. Let and you. This is kind of short answer. 21. If you wanted to write a long answer, and I think we have to do like that if you are teaching or learning, as 21 سالی me. As 21 سالی me. Jose answers. She says she's 21 years old. Let and you. Okay. Khana says as 20 سالی me. Okay. دایکو باوته چند سالینه. دایکو باوته چند سالینه. As I said before, when you are making plural, you have to use ne, and as you see, دایکو باو is plural. دایکو باوته چند سالینه. Khana asks about age only. That's what we realized. As 20 سالime. دایکو باوته چند سالینه. I am 20. How old are your mother and father? How old are your mother and father? Dayuk above, the, you, your, the, and chant, how old? Saline, how old? Okay, chant sali. And let's continue. خوزه دایکا من 46 سالیه و باوی من جی 51 سالیه. Yente, yours, yente, yours. How about yours? Your dad and mom. Le yente. So you can say like yente and yours. You can say like that. Jose, my mother is 48 and my father is 51. What about yours? Yours. So simply you could say yours. How about yours? So yente makes it yours. Yente makes it yours. So simply you don't say te, but you say yente. Okay, generally we use yen because when we think about this, yen we, This is like yen hers, him, and its yen means yours as many people, yen me, and yen one is also many people, yen they. Okay, yen, yours. When you want to make your sentences to have this meaning, you could simply say yente. Okay. دایکا من 43 سالیه و باوی من جی 45 سالیه. دایکا من 43 سالیه، باوی من جی 45 سالیه. My mother is 43 and my father is 45. Oh, okay. And let's do this first, this, and then خوشکو برای انت چند سالینه. خوشکو برای انت چند سالینه. So actually, okay, this is not about grammar, it was just talking. And خوشکو برای انت چند سالینه. خوشکو برای انت چند سالینه. خوشک, how old are your sisters? خوشک, Brian, brothers. خوشکو برای انت. So in here, like, there is one important thing, I think. خوشکو برای انت. خوشکو برای انت. So when we have this connection and we say خوشک is only sister, it is not sisters actually, but we have this connection and this is plural, bra is only brother. But when you say yin, it became plural, Brian, brothers. So oops, we like when we like basically when we make this plural, we also make this plural. It became like this. We can't think like that. But in here, as you see, we put in the both s. So sister and brothers. So it became something like this. But we don't put this one for Kurdish. It's only خوشک. It's only خوشک و برای انت چند سالینه. And that's it. Continue. So, and I will read your, okay, like this, okay. خوشکا من 14 سالیه. خوشکا من 14 سالیه. و برای من جی 22 سالیه. و برای من جی 22 سالیه. Yente? Okay. So you see also yente. How about yours? How about yours again? And خوشک, my sister is 15. خوشکا من. So in here, you are saying, like, you are saying she is age of 14 and she is age of 14, my sister is 14 age. And Brian, simply one brother is 22. Brian G 2 G. So it Brian G 22. As I said before, it was 2, but in here my brother is Brian G. My brother 2, like 22, it became something like this. But that's not exactly. My Brian Bistusaliye. Simply you could remove this actually. Brian Bistusaliye. So this G comes, I think this G comes because of we used B already in here. So my sister is like this, and my brother is 22. My sister is 14, and also my sister is like this. So basically it became like this. That, as I said, this is not so much necessary to use it in here because you can get the same meaning. برای من جی 22 سالیه. But generally we use it in here. And when we talk about something like anyway, it's not important. It's not very important. Just yente. Okay, continue. Yemen tane khushkakaya. Actually, this would be Yemen tane khushkakaya. Yemen tene خوشککیه. Yemen tene خوشککیه. I have only one sister. ناوی وی شیدایه و 10 سالیه. Yemen, I have only one sister. And so I have only one sister. Her name is Shayda. So now you learn how to pronounce this. Shayda. And Shayda. And she's 10 years old. Jose, Yemen, Tene. Khushkakaya, I have only one sister. So Tene became Tene only. One sister, Khushkak. So we don't say Yak Khushk. Khushk, Ek, Khushkak. So Khushkak. Khushkak means one. Yeah, this is important, I think. Khushkak means one sister. One sister. Khushkak means one. And let's say 5. Let's say bench Khushken. Bench Khushken. So Khushk, like when you put N, as you see, bench Khushken manana, or bench char Khushken manana. 4. I have 4 sisters. When you say that, you say Khushk, Khushken. This makes it plural. And Ek, Khushkak makes it singular. One person. Okay, let's continue. Kana talks again. Basha. Okay. Khode. Okay. Khode amri we drej beke. Okay, like this. Grant them long life. God grant them a long life. God grant them. Khode amri we drej beke. Khode. God. Amri we drej beke. Like, I think you might, if you are not I don't think you are get used to this, but in here, like, you could use like amre, but amre, it's like amre, and I don't really know specific rule for when we use as a and when we use as a, but this is amre, amrewe. So it is kind of like how to say that khade amrewe. So use like read like this amrewe. So by time I think you will get used to it. I don't think there is a specific rule to learn about difference. If anyone watch this and know, they can just write in the below. Generally amrewe. Okay. Basha. Okay. Also good. Khade amrewe drejbeke. My God grant them a long grant. Actually, we is not them. We is like her. Will be her. Yeah, exactly her. Amrewe drejbeke. Her, a grand life, grant her. We is her. Khade amrewe drejbeke. So, okay. Grant her a long life. Okay. Drej, as I said before, is long. Drej beka Amr is life. Amr is life. Also Jian is life, yeah. And let's continue. As I said, like Jian is life, but you wouldn't say Khwade Jiana with Drej beka. Though we chant, like we don't use this term, we say Amr. Amr is something like Jian. Jian is different. Just Jian is okay, life, Jian, but Amr is also. But Amr is like Amr. Amr is like it is like how long we live. But this is not about it. It is strange a little bit. It's I don't know how to explain this, but this is Amr. When you say Amr, it is more word like. It is like, I think it is about length of this, I mean length of life, Amr. So we can even like, this is something like, when you say Amr, you can understand this is about length of life. How long is it? and Jiyan is like nothing about land of like years, number of years, but Amr is like that. There's a different. It is a thing that must be important difference. Jiyan, خود Jiyan آوی درش بکن. No, Jiyan is generally good thing. Generally, when you say Jiyan, it is like you are not like Amr. Amr is more, how to say, I don't know, like it is in the way of like long of life. I think that is the best explanation ever. I think this is about land and this is not about land, but both are about life. Both are life. Wow. And let's continue. Sarbabi, thank you. Sarbabi, thank you. Also she could say spas, but Sarbabi is also, it means like live when you translate simply, but thank you, literally healthy, may God. Okay, something like this. Yeah, literally, may you be healthy and life good. God give you a long life. Sarbe, sarbe, it's like thanks. Actually, thanks is also has this meaning, but spas also sarbe, sarbe, sarbabi. But in which case, as I said, it's like spas is also could be used in here, but not always. You don't use sar instead of spasticum. I am just thinking if I can always use it instead of it. Actually, I think you can always use sarbe instead of spas. Spasticum, and sarbe. So spasticum, sarbe. You can use both of them in their place. Yeah, you can change them. It's okay. And let's continue. To Sakhtar, you are welcome. You are more healthy. Like the Sakhtar, like we didn't actually. I don't know if I made video about this. I will check. Comparative and superlative. We didn't make it about this, I think. So maybe I simply could mention about this. To Sakhtar, like better, like. Bash is good. Bashter is better. Khrab is good, is bad. Khrabter is worse. And what else? I give you two more examples, and then I will talk about superlative also. And what do I say? It will be easy. Khrab, khrabter, bash, bashter, less, lester, his, ter, So I think this is enough. Generally, both of them are all are same. So bash is good, and when you just put ter end of the bash, it became better. Khrab is bad, and khrabter is ter is when you put ter at the back at the end, it became better. Lester, lester, his ter, more stronger. You simply do this, but when you make superlative, you will say heribash. Heribash means the best. Heribash. So in that case, you simply put heri in front of the first one. Okay, heribash. It will be heribash. And to make superlative, heri khrab, the worst. Heri less, the fastest. His, heri strong. Yani heri his is the strongest. Yeah, heri. It's so simple, right? If you put heri, it is superlative. If you put ter in the end, it is comparative. And that is for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Generally I am not saying this, it's like I am just making video to use YouTube as a library, but yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Why do I write in this in English? I don't know. جبیر نکن کو بشتاری قنالا ما ببن. جبیر نکن کو نکن کو بشتاری قنالا ما ببن. That's it. جبیر نکن کو بشتاری قنالا ببن. Subscribe to our channel. Actually, don't forget to subscribe to our channel when we translate it like this. جبیر نکن کو. Don't forget to بشتاری, subscribe. قنالا ما is our channel. And that's it. Let's finish the video.